All right? Come on. Please tell me. Okay, guys, the topic is ice cream or bhutta in barish.
Like diabetes or any other lifestyle diseases. So keeping that in mind, we should try to eat or try to expose ourselves to only those foods which are quite helpful for us from a health point of view.
How they can eat Bhutta in rainy season also. If anyone is facing any issue like health issue, then they will not go for eating something like not for Bhutta and not for ice cream also.
Eating in rainy season bhutta is quite exhilarating for many people. Like few couples also there who enjoy eating bhutta during the rainy season. Different price levels. So bhutta is very cost effective compared to that.
There is some line in Hindi, लोहा लोहे को काटता है.
लोहा लोहे को काटता है.
Yes, that's right.
No. When they are facing some health, when they are facing some cough or cold, when they are facing cold, then they definitely eat bhutta.
If they are facing, also in many programs, they are not available Bhutta, but ice cream is also available there in rainy season and every season also.
So, ladies and gentlemen, let me welcome the next performers and the next debaters for today. I would like to welcome Mr. Samson and Mr. Suresh. Please welcome both of you. Please give a huge round of applause. All right? Come on. Please tell me. Okay, guys, the topic is ice cream or bhutta in barish. Right? बारिश के मौसम में आइसक्रीम या भुट्टा. तो I would like to say you go for ice cream and you go for bhutta, or you will tell the reasons of that. I will keep it in my pocket. Let's begin. Introduce yourself first.
So, first of all, thank you, Abdullah sir, and thanks to all of you. Good afternoon. I'm Suresh, and today this promptu debate session is good for logical thinking, critical thinking, and many more things. So my topic is ice cream in rain. I favoring ice cream in rain, and Mr. Sayam.
Yes, good afternoon to all of you. My name is Sayam Chauhan, and today I will be favoring for the eating bhutta during the rainy season. Okay, I will start. During the rainy season, it usually gets wet and kind of cold for most of the people. So eating bhutta during that season is not only good from the quite amazing to the senses, because it's quite amazing to the senses, and it's quite natural in nature, so it doesn't cause any harm to our body, and it is also comes cheap, so it is quite cost effective.
I think every time we shouldn't care our health. We should some different. We should do something different from the world. That's why I like ice cream in rainy season.
Okay, I agree to the point that we should do something different once in a while. But in today's world, there is a lot of health challenges which people are facing, like diabetes or any other lifestyle diseases. So keeping that in mind, we should try to eat or try to expose ourselves to only those foods which are quite helpful for us from a health point of view.
You can take sugar-free ice cream also if you are diabetic.
No, my point is that not only diabetes, but other people have different issues, like weight issues are also there, and other issues are also there. So judging from the holistic point of view, that it is more healthy. But no one can deny that eating bhutta is more healthy than ice cream. Yes. Ice cream might be.
If they don't have teeth, how they can eat bhutta in rainy season also?
Yeah, if a person is having sensitive teeth, they can go to dentist to because that comes
in today's scenario. It's more costly for everyone to take artificial teeth. It's too costly.
No, because if a person is finding a problem in eating bhutta, then it's definitely facing some problem in his teeth. So he should definitely go to the dentist to check out his teeth because he might be facing some difficulty in eating other food materials. So that is for his betterment of his own health.
Yes.
I mean to say that he is facing some health issues like sensitive teeth or weak teeth. So might be facing difficulty in eating other items, other food items also. So
But he or she can eat ice cream easily.
no, I'm saying from the health point of view, because if one is having sensitive teeth, then one should definitely go and see a dentist, because one should not prolong his or her disease.
If anyone is facing any issue, like health issue, then they will not go for eating something like not for bhutta and not for ice cream also. They don't choose both.
What about desire?
Yes, desire big. This eating in rainy season bhutta is quite exhilarating for many people. Like few couples also there who enjoy eating bhutta during the rainy season. So no one can deny that eating bhutta is quite romantic in nature also.
For the couples, they'll choose ice cream also.
Yeah, they might be choosing it in the summer.
More couples choose ice cream in rainy season because they want to live in a different world. They are living in dreams.
Yeah, they might. Yeah, different couples have different tastes. No one can deny that.
Dreams, world of dreams. Then they will choose ice cream, not bhutta.
Yeah, bhutta, but the ice cream comes in various different price levels. So bhutta is very cost effective compared to that, because it comes. The only USP of the bhutta is it's very cheap in nature and it's very tasty. So no one can deny that it outweighs the ice cream at all times during the rainy season.
Yes.
Many people choose ice cream because of desire, because of their. If anyone faces cold, if anyone faces cough in rainy season, then say they will choose ice cream.
No. When they are facing some cough or cold, when they are facing cold, then they definitely eat bhutta.
If they are facing cold, then they are choosing ice cream. I see many people in my life.
No, they must be having some twisted.
There is some line in Hindi. लोहा लोहे को काटता है.
लोहा लोहे को काटता है.
Yes, that's why they like ice cream that time in the cold
Well, for those people, I don't know much because I'm not a health expert. So they should definitely consult doctor. I can only say that.
Psychiatrist.
Yes, yeah, more of a psychiatrist. Yes. Yeah, but in addition to that, also I would like to say a point that it helps in encouraging local vendors also, because it supports their livelihood. So because they are not empowered enough to buy ice cream or open up an ice cream outlet, so they can use their local space to sell the bhutta, and they can support their own family for them.
You can see in marriages and also in many programs, they are not available bhutta, but ice cream is also available there in rainy season and every season also.
Yeah, because it's a luxury item, I get it, but as I've already said, that bhutta is a very cost-effective and cheap method of enjoying one's own time.
Yeah, it's cost effective and cheapable, you can say. But you have seen many ladies in parties in even there is a rainy season, summer season or winter season. They choosing ice cream. Why they don't choose? Why they choose ice cream? Why they don't choose bhutta?
Because it's a luxury item. It is more of a status point of view. Also, people eat ice cream because it's a status quotient also comes into play. So that's the thing.
That's why ice cream is good.
Not good, but it's more of a status symbol.
Yeah.
That if I'm eating a 500 rupees ice cream and one is eating 10 rupees bhutta, then who's bigger? The question comes to that also.
Yes. Mr. Sayam और भुट्टा, right? Ladies ice cream खा के एकदम ice cream जैसी होती जा रही है. Anyway, it's all about. But bhutta is always about,